Here's how you can submit an attached file to a question. So in this particular lesson, I know there are 4 questions. I want to go to those questions, so I click there, and question number 3 is one that gives me the option to upload a file. I think they all do actually. But I could right here, right here, or I could upload the file. And to do this, you just click on this little button here at the top. It says choose file. It goes to all my stuff. I'll just attach that file. And now that it's green, you can see that there is a file attached. And then I can scroll down and submit it or turn it in. Easy as pie. If you have any questions, be sure to call me.